Hey, what's up, guys? I just installed these two lights here behind me a few minutes ago. They're really easy to do. Probably the assembly was the hardest part. They did come in several different pieces, so you have that top part of the hook and then the bottom part of the pole. You just mount it all together into this base here, into this middle mounting part. And then you just screw on your shades for each one, and there's a little mounting bracket on the back that you use to hook it to the wall. And that was about it. For me, I used just double-sided sticky tape to actually mount them to the wall itself. So I just kind of peeled off a piece of sticky tape and stuck it to that back mounting bracket, and then stuck it right to the wall, and it worked really good. Wasn't sure if it was going to be too heavy for it, but they seem to be on there really stable. And then the other cool thing about these lights is that the bulbs themselves are what's rechargeable. So you don't have to take the whole light down if the bulb dies or you run out of light. Just pull the magnetic bulb out, plug in your USB-C, and then charge it up, and then just put it back up in there. And then you're good to go. You have just your solid white on. And then from there, you have your brightness control. So you can increase or decrease the brightness. And then you have a few different options for light patterns. So it has a flash button. You can push that and see it cycle through those. It has a strobe button. You can see it cycles through all the colors that it has. A fade button, and it has a different pattern. Well, it will fade in and out of each color. And then it has a smooth button that you can push. So that just has a smooth transition between all the colors. So yeah, they're really cool lights, guys. You can see them here. They go really well in this window spot that I have. It's really kind of to be treated like a reading nook or whatever like that. But so it's really cool, really easy to install, and they're just really nice looking lights.